Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your wallet name on SafePal. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your SafePal application and make sure to log into your wallet. Open up the wallet that you want to change your name to and then tap on the wallet's name located at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the three dots right next to your wallet and then tap on the pencil icon at the top of the screen. You can now go ahead and erase your current wallet's name and type in a new wallet's name you'd like to change to and tap confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your wallet's name on SafePal. So that is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.